Today we are going to unbox Bosch GSB 12V30 professional cordless combi, which can act as a cordless screwdriver as well as the impact drill. The box itself is a hard carrying case, very suitable to take it to work. It's a label with the specification and serial number, as well as the safety label, warning, and the specification in different languages. The side of the box, the carrying case, and there is two knobs with a handle to carry. And inside the box we have firstly a number of the booklets, including the GSR and GSB professional heavy duty 12V30 complete user manual in different languages, as well as the user manual for the charger GAL 12V40 professional, and a number of international warranty guidance. Inside the box we have the charger base GAL 12V40 professional, the tool itself, the main body with the first battery, and the second battery, which is the spare battery. The main tool is a 12-volt professional heavy-duty screwdriver and drill, which also has impact drill. So we have three modes: screwdriver, drill, and impact drill. There's also a torque meter, which can be adjusted from 1 to 20, even more, to adjust the torque of the drill. We have the chuck for manually adjustable chuck for putting the bit like a screwdriver or the drill bit from 1 millimeter to 10 millimeter diameter. The switches and the buttons, the main button is a variable button. The speed switch from 1, which is 400 RPM, and 2, 1600 RPM. Brushless motor, so there is no brush, carbon brush in the electromotor. Also we have forward and backward the rotation. By pressing this one is a forward drill, and this one is a backward for screwdriver. We also have the LED, which drops the beam light for putting it into the point that we are putting the drill bit or the screwdriver. And also we have battery charging indicator, which can remain a few seconds and turn off, and this one will turn off after 10 seconds. As I said, we have three modes. From this mode, which is the screwdriver mode, by this mode the torque meters working. For instance, if I put into the minimum and want to keep this from rotating, it goes like this and forward this way. But if I increase the torque into 5 or 10, it's hard to keep it, and if it comes to the maximum, no one can stop it. The charger itself can take up to 2 hours of working, and it's very handy with easy to use for everyone, even kids, with a weight of 800 grams. It's very easy to use and handle and carry during the daily work. We'll come back to the body later, but before that, we come back to the charger. The charger itself, it's a base for putting one battery each time. It has two LEDs. One, the LED is for warning, and the other one for charging. By unwinding the power cable and connecting into wall outlet, the green LED will be lit for showing that it is ready for charging. The battery is a lithium-ion 12 volt 2 amps lithium-ion battery, which has a safety standards here, and it can be inserted only in one way, not other way around, so it's not be mistaken. So by putting the battery inside, the LED will be blinking into green, means that it is charging, until it remains steady green, which means that the battery is fully charged. Then we can remove it. It is recommended to remove the battery once it is fully charged. If by any case the warning LED will be lit, it's better to remove the battery and unplug from the power. While it is charging, I'm going to come back to the battery itself, to the main body, and to show you how to release the battery and replace it. By pressing these two knobs inside and pulling out, it's very easy to remove the battery and replace with the new one or the charged one. And by pressing this, it will come back to its place and ready to use. As I said, it's a very lightweight, handy comparing to the other models. When we look up into the marketplace, there are higher voltage like 14 volt, 18 volt, even 20 volts, which are much more heavier, and they are not easy to handle and carry by everyone. But this one, as I said, with left or right hand, it's very easy, very lightweight, very handy for everyone to use it. So this is the type of the professional screwdriver that has been designed for easy use, for home use, for any other type of utilization during daily work. As I said, the speed switch varies from 400 RPM, and when you switch into the second mode, it goes to 1600. And by putting the mode into the impact drill, it will be very powerful and able to make a drill into the wall. Comparing to its size and voltage, it's a very powerful tool to be used. Well, I believe that we already have all observation for the device, and there are some other specification to say. The torque on the soft mode is 18 Newton meters, and in the hard mode it's up to 30 Newton meter. In the no load speed, it's from 0 to 420 RPM. In the second gear, it goes up to 1600 RPM. The battery type is a lithium-ion, and the weight exclusive the battery is 820 grams. In the specification, it says that the torque varies between 18 on the mode 1 in soft mode up to 30 Newton meters on the hard. And with the no load speed, it has 0 to 420 rotation per minute, and in the second gear it has 0 to 1600 RPM. The battery type is a lithium-ion, and the weight is just exactly 820 grams. The torque setting varies between 20 steps, and the maximum impact rate is 24,000 BPM. The chuck capacity is 1 up to 10 millimeters. So by this specification, I believe we have a very powerful tool comparing to other small sizes, and it's a very handy, it's a very easy to use, and it's well recommended for home use or small businesses when you want to have a portable, lightweight but powerful and reliable tool to carry easily with your other tools. Thank you for watching this video.